Okay, today is Wednesday, June 5th, and this is my haul. I bought carrots, baby carrots, 32-ounce bag of baby carrots. I got some iceberg lettuce with carrots and red cabbage. I got a kale. You can see that. One thing of kale. I have here 4 cucumbers. 4 cucumbers. A bag of baby spinach. A red bell pepper. 3 stalks of celery. 3 stalks of celery. A pineapple. Yum. I bought about 5 pounds of Gala apples. The rest of them. And bananas. I think I bought 10 pounds of bananas. That's 1. And there's 2. And I bought strawberries. I bought 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to cut these up and put these in the freezer for my smoothies. And the same thing with the bananas. Once they're ripe, I'm going to cut those and I'm going to use those for smoothies. I got red raspberries and some blueberries. And last but not least, I got my True Lemon. I put that in my water. You guys know the story. I put it in my water so I can drink my water. Okay, and my haul came to... Okay, I lost the receipt. But my haul came to $46. I lost the receipt. There you go. My haul came to $48.70. Okay, that is all.